While OKRAM LEIBA Institute for Research and Development Alternative IRDA na Chalaiba Pre-Primary Montessori Rhyme Teacher Training Center da Mai Paklaba Maheiroisingda MAANA-MAATHUM YENTHOKPAGI MARIRAK SUBA CONVOCATION ki THOURAM ngasi THOUBAL TOMJINGDA LEIBA CHAOYAIMA Higher Secondary School ki Seminar Hall da PANGTHOKHRE CONVOCATION ki THOURAM aduda ZEO Zone 3 THOUBAL ki Assistant Inspector of School THOUDAM Brozen MES na Chief Guest IIE Kanchipur ki Assistant Professor Dr. Akoijam Pete Mitei na President DMU of की former BC Manipur University की Physical Chemistry की Professor Nomaitem Rasmon Singh na Special Guest Child Development Project Officer THOUBAL TS Romita Devi amadi MU की Adult Continuing Education and Extension Department की Assistant Professor Dr. Chanam Sonia Devi na Guest of Honor oina saruk yaki Convocation aduda Center asigi Samaga Kunithoida Suba Batch ki Base IRDN की Mana Valentina Devi Asem aduga Samaga Kulhumdoi Suba Batch ki Base IRDN की Mana Haisnam Bina Pani Devi da Pidna Ikai Khumna Butkre Loinana Center asigi Chamaga Kunithoi amadi Chamaga Kulhumdoi Batch ki Base Academic Excellence Award Good Attendance Award, Good Discipline Award, Good Performance Award, Best Supportive Award, Good Curricular Activity Award, Good Presentation Award, Best Participant Award na Chingbagi Mana Singsu ngasigi mitunglen singna yenthoki Training fangduna Mai Paklaba Pre-Primary Rhyme ki Oza Humfumathoida ngasigi mitunglen singna Medal Certificate amadi Trophy sing yenthoki Special Guest ki Warolda Professor Nomaitem Rasmon Singh Hai 21st century asi malem gi oina knowledge century haina pangthok nei masida khwaidagi maru oiriba se human resource ni currency hairagadi matamna oigadoribani maramasina laikidaba india gi former president APJ Abdul Kalam na leibak asigi aseng balani sanalupa lanthum adu natte hairamba leirabani human value moral value spiritual value yauraba education asu adu quality education leiba kowi haiki
currency se 21st century की currency से मसी मातम ओइगेदुरी मातम हस important ओइबा पोरा ओइदा फिर पैसा yang दरकार ओइबस महिना मातम हाइबसना 21st century currency ओइरगने in this knowledge here human resources particularly the human capital ignited young minds is important ओइबा अदना APJ Abdul Kalam former president of India मान yang kan lalu in this 21st century, the most important resource of our country is not gold, diamonds or platinum, but it is the ignited young minds, especially the young budding scientists guys. I was young man directions. The Kalam has happened. Prithvi Sida, but the year is Makadi and Nagasu. I think when important about India, assembled and you know how to target it. Masi Naharun.